And I am a program facilitator for Girls Inc. I am so excited to be here with you guys on Fit Friday. We're going to have so much fun. I know we're all being quarantined and stuck in the house because of the coronavirus, but we can find a way to make this fun, and I'm so excited to be here with you guys to keep your energy up and to keep you looking fit even while you're not in school. This will be a quick workout, but I want you guys to tune in, write down these workouts so that even when we're not live, you can keep doing this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So let's get it, guys. First thing I want to make sure that you guys have is water. Water keeps you guys hydrated. It will keep you energized and going as you push through on this workout. And today we are actually going to focus on legs. If you do not have a resistance band, it is okay. I am just using this and incorporating it because I use it all the time. In addition to this, today is leg workout. So I'm going to be showing you guys the compilation, whatever, however you say it, of workouts that you can do at home. So without further ado, let's get started. I have my workout paper here. I'm going to make this super elementary intermediate for you guys because I know there may be some of you guys that don't work out. You would rather read a book or make slime or do TikTok dances, whatever you call it. Whatever y'all do that little, I forget that name. But yeah, me and my girls at Calera Intermediate did that. Shout out to my girls at Calera Intermediate. I miss you guys so much. I hate that we ended this way, but it's okay because you guys are going to see me now. And shout out to my girls at Calera Middle School. Shout out to all of the girls in Girls Inc. All right, I'm super pumped if you guys can't tell. So, the first workout we will be doing is a basic squat. Everybody knows what a squat is. If you don't know what it is, I'm going to show you. I'm going to have to scoot back because of the way this camera footage is set up. So if you cannot see me, I'm so sorry. I apologize. Just zoom in or however you need to do to see it. So a squat. You need to make sure that when you do a squat, your butt is tucked in, your legs are at a good window, and you're bending, not using your knees, but you're using your butt. So a squat is just basically this. Going in, and you're sitting in it. You're sitting in it. That's all you're doing. You're sitting in it. Sitting in it. So that is your squat. Up next, we have the rest of our workouts are floor workouts. So I'm going to tilt this camera a little bit so that you guys can see it. So you guys can see the floor. So our next workout is a donkey kick. Basically, you are sitting like this, back straight, arms at a window length apart, and you're just taking your leg and you're pushing it back. It's a donkey kick. Donkey kick. Some of you guys have seen Shrek and Donkey. Seen the way Donkey from Shrek kicks. You're just kicking. Donkey kick, back straight, looking forward. Donkey kick. Same thing on the other side. And I'm going to show you all of these workouts before we jump into the actual workout. The next thing is a fire hydrant. So it's the same position, except your leg is going out this way instead of back. So a fire hydrant is this way. That's all you're doing. Same body formation, leg is just going a different way. And last, we have our hip raises or bridges, whatever you want to call it. So you're laying on your back, like this, and you're just lifting up. Lifting up. Lifting up. Lifting up. Lifting up. So, our workouts for the day is our squat, our donkey kicks, our fire hydrants, and our bridge or hip raise. So on my paper I have for each set, you will do 2 sets of 15. 2 sets of 15. I have about 8 to 10 minutes with you guys, and I'm at 4 minutes right now. So I'm actually going to do some of these workouts with you guys to get you guys started and to keep you guys going. So our first set, 15 for all. First thing is our squat. And if if you're new to this, no pressure. You can do 5. You can do 1. Whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Do not feel pressure to do what I'm doing. All right, let's get it. I'm going to turn the music up a little bit to get me energized. If I could find some TikTok music, I will put that on because I know you guys love it. But right now, this is all we have. So let's get to it. Here we go. Squat, 15.
I don't want that. I feel like. Wait.
Let's go. Keep your energy up. 6. Now to our donkey kick. If you need to stop and get water, get water. Let me clarify, that's 15 on each side. You need to do 5 on each side, that is fine. I actually have no idea what number I'm on now, so I'm going to switch.
Still shake Shelby cash. Broke boy, I been had a bag. I come in first place, I never been last. Jack stupid, get trash. Take free. Shelby cash.
Fire hydrant. Let's go.
Put you on my life for a purpose. Every might bust a fight, but it's worth it.
That was 10. Running low on time. So I am going to just push through. And guys, I am struggling too. But we got this. And lastly, our hip raises. And my music just died? It's okay. We're going to push through. Make sure you are breathing. Breathe. All right. So guys, that is all that I have for you today. In 1 second. That is all that I have for you today. But I am so excited to end this year strong, doing Fit Fridays and all the other days of the week that we have. But if you tune in, this is part 1 of what our Fit Friday is going to be of the videos I'm doing. Some Fridays I may tune in, some Fridays someone else may tune in. Regardless, tune in, get energized, keep that energy up. You are in the house. You need something to occupy your mind to keep you going. And I am so happy that I get to be a part of this journey with you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Remember, drink your water. As you're quarantined, find other things to do to keep your mind off of what's going on. And just continue to have fun. Find purpose in the fact that you get to be at home right now. Continue to study. Continue to be strong, smart, and bold. Love you guys. Amber out.
Clear nature and give it more soil. So leave a like on this video.